we have always strived to cut through the impossible, to cut through the incredible. Our strong heritage has enabled us to innovate with integrity, to remain at the cutting edge. Our superior blades are for those who demand superior results. Outstanding engineering and leading-edge materials mean we never settle. As experts in our field, we deliver exceptional product performance and durability. We are confident, enabling you to cut through your challenges and exceed your demands. We are precise because we understand only the best succeed. For those who keep the world moving, for those who keep the world safer, because they know second chances are not an option. They trust Lenox to keep cutting when others quit, to deliver a superior performance that pays. And we will continue to exceed expectations. We are committed to performing a cut like no other.